The arrival of iOS 26 is just around the corner. But before we dive into the exciting new features it promises, let's take a moment to explore everything you should know about iOS 18. This version has laid the groundwork for many enhancements and functionalities that users have come to appreciate. In this article, we will cover all the essential software updates, along with handy tips and tricks that can help you navigate the iOS landscape more effectively. Zachary McAuliffe, a dedicated staff writer, has been sharing his insights with CNET since November 2021. Before joining the team, he spent 5 years honing his skills at a local broadcast news station in Cincinnati. When he's not busy writing, you can often find him enjoying a good book with a cup of coffee or catching up on a TV series alongside his wife and their beloved dog. Zach's expertise spans various areas, including web hosting, operating systems, applications, and software. His credentials are impressive, and he even has the honor of being an Apple software beta tester. As his grandparents fondly put it, he helps make our computers and phones work. As we look ahead to the future of iOS, it's crucial to understand the features and improvements that iOS 18 has introduced. This version has been pivotal in shaping user experience, and knowing its ins and outs can significantly enhance how you interact with your device. So, what are the standout features of iOS 18? What updates should you be aware of? And how can you make the most of this software? Let's delve into these questions and more, ensuring you're well prepared for the transition to iOS 26. But here's where it gets controversial. Some users have expressed dissatisfaction with certain aspects of iOS 18, sparking debates about its usability and functionality. What do you think? Are the updates worth the hype, or do they fall short of expectations? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below,